Yorubon na yung cell. Guys, ito na yung part 13 ng mga vocabulary galing sa book to na sinusort out ko at minimorize ko dati kaya ako nakakuha ng 190 na score. So kung gusto nyo may pasa yung exam or gusto nyo makakuha ng mas malaki na score, dapat i-memorize nyo talaga ito. Saupchang Chuga, addition of work location. Saupcho, business owner. Sayungada, to use. Saiga Napuda, to be on bad terms. Saiga Jutta, to get along. Sainada, sumyungada, to sign. Sajungian Jutta, to face financial difficulties. Sajin Swaryungol Hada, to take pictures. Sajong, visa. Sapo, sandpaper. Sapojirada, to hand sand with sandpaper. Sanop Anjun Puse, industrial safety signs and symbols. Sanji Buhom, workers' compensation insurance. Sanwasong Jilkyunggo, warning, oxidizing. Salpida, to examine. Samda, to simmer. Samyupsal, grilled pork filling. Samgitang, ginseng chicken soup. Sap, shovel. Sangsa, one senior. Sangyugom, bonus. Sanging, injury. Sinding hada, to sand wood with a sander. Singson, fish. Singel, birthday. Shausel, shower room. Soro Wehijuda, to care for each other. Subisoop, service industry. Pibigul Turida, to give a traditional ceremony to pay respects to the groom's family. Piso, waste tourer. Piupada, to be close. Piyo, waste oil. Pusang Zagob, packaging. Pusikada, to eat once fill. Puhamduida, to be included. Pokpalsago, explosion. Pokpalsong Moljilkyunggo, warning, explosive. Pokpalrada, to explode. Pogunulada, to utter. Pokingulada, to assault, to attack. Ozon Sisungol Yuzihada, to maintain standard weight. Pulda, to loosen. Puriso Kige, forming place. Pulayo, pliers. Pulogurul Kutda, to plug in. Pulogurul Pupda, to unplug. Piruyunulada, to have an after party. Pihingul Tsuda, to harm someone. Pihicha, victim. Hagik, guest. Hanggugo Nong Nyuk Sihom, a place to pick. Halyo, the Korean wave. Hanbugol Ipta, to wear hanbok, traditional Korean clothes. Hanjanada, to have a drink. Hansukada, to be tranquil. Hanchang, at the peak. Hantungnida, to treat.